Hello everyone, this is a video explaining how to make a custom map inside of Star Wars Legion mod by yours truly. So first thing you need to do is go to maps, go to custom maps, and you can select any of the custom textures already preloaded in the mod. So this is like a volcanic kind of thing, like obviously from Mustafar, but say you want to make your own custom texture. So go to custom texture and you'll see this thingamajig. First you need your own texture. So I've already created one for Bespin right here. Go to an image hosting website like Imager, upload it, and then right click on the image and copy image address. So that should take you, copy image address. That should bring you to the image itself. Now I recommend an image that is 3000 pixels by 1500 pixels, and it should be under 1 megabyte in file size. But you can make it as big or as small as you want, as long as it is twice as long as it is tall. That's all you need. So copy the image, go back into the mod, paste it inside this input, and press change battlefield image. So there you go, your texture is inside. Next thing you need to do is set your base tint color if this is a custom texture. So if you load a mini right now, it will turn out to be white, but that's not the color that maybe you want. Say I want something like a dark gray for this. So right click on Luke, go to color tint, change the color tint to something you're happy with, and press set base tint color, and there you go. Once you create a mini in the map, it should have the correct base tint color. Once you've done that, delete Luke and everything else on it. Next, it's time to place your terrains. Go to terrain objects, pull it up, right click, search, and you can look at the different things that you want. Say I want craters and a hill and buildings. Yeah. What I'd like to do before I start is go to options, press grid, press show lines, and make sure this is 6x6. So this will show you a grid that with each box being one range ruler long. What I'd like to do is I will pick out all the buildings I like. So say I like this, I like this, I like this. Pick out everything that you like. And once you're done, make sure if you're following the use reference guide of the terrain being less than a quarter, you can use the grid easily for that. So put everything, say about a quarter inch, and then I can start placing all the things that I want. So say you like all the terrain here, but you want to put in your own terrain. What you can do is go to objects, go to components, custom, and go to model, and there you can upload your own model with their diffuse. Now I wouldn't cover this because this is a whole nother thing by itself. You can search on YouTube on how to rip models or create your own 3D models to import into this. Another thing you can do, however, is take terrain pieces from other mods within Tabletop Simulator. That's very easy to do. So first, save your game, and then you can go to Steam, go to Workshop, and go to all the workshops online and search for things that you like. So say I like trees, I want trees. We go to the find something that you like, and then press on the subscribe button. I've already subscribed to it, so I already have this. Come back into the mod, go to games, and then go into the mod with the terrain inside. So let's say high quality trees. Load it. What you can do is right click, say I like this tree and I like this tree. Oh, it's a fallen tree. Select it. It's called. Select it, right click, and then press. Where is my save objects? Save objects. Trees. Go back into your map. Go to objects, saved objects, and then load your trees inside. So place the trees however you want to. And what you need to do is, if it's not a terrain that I've already put for you, you can rename it. You need to name it beautiful tree. Put what is light or heavy cover, and then you can name it. So say trooper, impossible, ground vehicle, and so on and so forth. Put in the height as well, and there you go. You have your tree with the appropriate descriptions on it. So one more thing is, like, say I want to put this bunker into this hill and combine it, but I can't. What you can do is you can lock it first, hover over it, and press the L button on both of it. So now it's locked. Go to your gizmo tool right here, press the move button. Now you see this little huge white box on it. Don't move this, because this is a scripting box that helps track what is in the battlefield. Go inside of it actually. Click on the bunker and you can slide it right into the hill. And there you go, it should be locked into each other. So once you finish placing all your terrains, so this is the map that I like. You can delete everything else. Select everything, it should be highlighted, and press the L button. So everything now should be locked. You can take away the grid right here, and then all you need to do is go to maps, save maps, and everything will be in this data cartridge. Last thing you need to do is right click, press save object. So Terrence map, bang, save, and then go and create a new single player. Let's create single player. Close this. You should just have one simple table. Go to objects, saved objects, go to map, select it, place it here. You can add a description if you want to. So components, tools, note card, oops. And then type in anything if you want, like this, to explain what your map is in. Last step you need to do is go to upload, workshop upload, and give it a name. So let's do it. You may give it a thumbnail as well. So I don't really care about this. I'll just add in thumbnail, and then press upload. And it should be done momentarily. There you go. So press OK. You still need to go to your workshop page, upload some screenshots, and make the mod public. So go to Steam, go to Workshops, press Home, go to your files, press Files you posted, press your new map, and then change visibility to public. It should be everything. So now your map will be momentarily available for the public to see. If you want to get into mod, how you can do this is just click on the URL and send it to me, and I'll put it in the mod really quickly. So there you go, this is how you make a map in Star Wars Legion. Happy creating, guys, and I'll see you soon.